Hello, I'm the founder of Peak LiLT, and we've been utilizing the technology of red and infrared light photons since 2015 to promote a tissue healing effect at a cellular level to help people with both musculoskeletal conditions as well as neurological conditions now. Today I wanted to introduce a new device that I found. It's called the DNA Vibe, and it's a device that can be used at home, and we've been using it now since the spring of 2023, and I do feel like it is a valid device that actually works quite well. So I just wanted to explain why I think this works, even though it's only a few $100s. It's under $300. So most light therapy equipment that is valid, so you do have to be careful about purchasing something randomly on Amazon, because a lot of the products out there aren't going to work, and I just wanted to explain why. So this is what we call an array. This is our BioFlex system. So this array has 240 SLD diodes, and that's what emits the light, the red light and the near infrared light. And SLDs, or superluminous diodes, emit coherent light, which just means coherent light means that it can go deep into tissues. We can get it to penetrate fairly deep. But SLDs are quite expensive. So this pad with 240 SLDs is around $9,000. So SLDs are expensive, but that's the type of the quality of an LED that is needed in order to be effective with light therapy treatment. So the developer of this device, it's called the DNA Vibe Jazz Band. He is a particle physicist and a mechanical engineer, and over the last 10 years they've been researching and trying to develop a device in which they can just use regular old LEDs to emit the light, because LEDs are cheaper. But LEDs emit diffuse light, which just means the light won't go very deep. The light photons can't get in very deep. So it can be useful for like skin treatments. There are products out there that go over your face that probably do help to reduce wrinkles and age spots, etc. But you don't need to go very deep. So what they have figured out is that, so right now the red and near infrared light are running at the same time, but then you press this button twice. When you press it the first time, it starts a vibration effect, and they figured out that micro vibration helps to push the light photons deeper into the tissues. And then you hit the button a second time and you'll see that a little blue light comes on, and that's just letting you know that now something called EMF is also now running in the device, and that's just a very low frequency magnetic pulse. And they figured out that that low frequency magnetic pulse also pushes the light photons deeper into the tissues. So then you can get the light pretty deep. And we've been using it since the spring of 2023. And we're now almost at the end of 2023, and we do feel like it actually works quite well. So I'm going to start promoting this for our patients to use for their maintenance treatments. And then for people that don't live in Colorado Springs or don't live anywhere where they can get access to a more medical type treatment with light therapy, I think this is a good device for people just to be able to have at home.